Page 241. This is beginning of Unit 19. Congratulations if you've made it this far and haven't had a nervous breakdown or whatever. We'll just keep going. In this lesson, we're going to add to our chord progression. We're going to add the 2 chord to the mess. Well, the 2 chord isn't difficult. It's just the next chord up. If I'm in the key of C major, the 2 chord is the next one up. I just got to remember to play the notes in the key. If I'm in A flat major, the 2 chord is the next one up. It's a minor chord. If I'm in a minor key, let's say A minor, F minor, well, the 2 chords, next one up. So in a minor, the 2 chord is actually a diminished chord. Because they have let's go with C. Let's go to A. Just use you go to A minor. If I go to the next one up, it's here. That's a minor third. That's a minor third. It's actually a diminished chord. Now, for a major key, it's not. For a major key, the 2 chord is a minor chord. But if it's a minor key, the 2 chord is a diminished chord, and it just happens all by itself. Now, adding it to our progression, let's look at the top of page 242. We have the 1 chord. This is the beginning. The 1 chord. Then the 4 chord, like we've always been doing. But now instead of going back to the 1 chord, now we're going to add the 2 chord. And we're just going to bring the bottom note up 1. And then 5/7 chord. Because they kind of sound nice going from 1 chord to the other. They feel good together. It's a good progression here. They just kind of feel good. Oh, whatever. They give a second example where you're moving around a little more. You're here, then you're down. 2 chord is next. See, by using different inversions, different arrangements, you get slightly different results. I guess that makes sense. I don't know. But on the bottom half of page 242, they're going to put the 2 chords after the 1 chord. So we're using that. Just look at it carefully here. Again, that's the 1 chord. That's the notes in the 1 chord. So, see that's the 2 chord. I just put the D on top, and then back to the 1 chord, then a 5/7 chord. Key of F major, same thing. You just gotta get the idea of it. It's a feel of it. You can do all that other stuff and have fun with it. Okay. Let me know if you have questions or ask your teacher. It's better if you ask your teacher, but if you don't have one, then I guess you're stuck with me.